Affiliate marketing is like being a salesperson but online. Instead of a physical store, you have a website, blog, or social media channel. You promote other companies' products or services. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Imagine you love to cook. You start a blog sharing yummy cookie recipes. You join an affiliate program for baking supplies. Now you include your affiliate links for ingredients or baking tools within your recipes. People find your recipes, click your links, and buy the products. You get a percentage of each sale. That's affiliate marketing in action. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, and you make money by recommending a product you believe in. It's a performance-based model, meaning you only get paid when you deliver results. Affiliate marketing offers several benefits for those seeking flexible income opportunities. One key advantage is that you don't need to create your own products. You're essentially promoting already existing products, saving you time and resources. Another advantage is the low startup cost. Unlike traditional businesses, you don't need to invest in inventory, manufacturing, or shipping. You mainly need a platform to share your content and promote affiliate products. Affiliate marketing also offers flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can set your own hours and work at your own pace. This makes it an appealing option for stay-at-home parents, digital nomads, or anyone seeking flexible supplemental income. Finally, the income potential in affiliate marketing is scalable. As you grow your audience and refine your marketing strategies, you can significantly increase your earnings. Choosing a niche is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Your niche is your area of focus, your specialty. It's where your passion and knowledge intersect with the needs of a target audience. Think about your interests, hobbies, or areas where you have expertise. Do you enjoy fitness, technology, travel, or personal finance? These are all potential niches. Research different niches to see if there's an audience and profit potential. Consider factors like audience size, competition, and the availability of relevant affiliate products. Remember, authenticity is key. Choose a niche you genuinely enjoy. This will make creating content and engaging with your audience much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. After choosing your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs to join. One of the most popular and accessible programs is Amazon Associates. This program allows you to promote millions of products available on Amazon. Many companies, big and small, offer their own affiliate programs. You can usually find information about these programs on their websites, often in the footer. Look for links like Affiliate Program, Partners, or Become an Affiliate. Several affiliate networks connect you with multiple merchants and manage payments and tracking. Research different programs and compare their commission rates, cookie durations, the period during which you earn commissions from referred customers, and payment terms. Section 5. Content is king. Creating valuable content. Content is the heart of affiliate marketing. It's how you attract, engage, and ultimately convert your audience. Focus on creating valuable, high-quality content that addresses your audience's needs and pain points. Think about the questions your target audience might have. What problems are they facing? What solutions are they seeking? Your content should provide answers, insights, and helpful information. Product reviews are a popular form of affiliate content. Provide honest, detailed reviews that highlight the pros and cons of a product. Consider creating tutorials, how-to guides, comparison articles, or case studies. The key is to provide value to your audience while naturally incorporating your affiliate links into your content. Section 6. Building your platform, website, and social media. Having your own platform is essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. A website provides a central hub where you can publish content, build an email list, and showcase your affiliate promotions. Choose a domain name that reflects your niche and your brand. Create a user-friendly website with clear navigation and a professional look. Consider using a content management system like WordPress, which offers flexibility and customization options. Social media platforms offer another way to connect with your audience, share your content, and drive traffic to your website. Identify the platforms where your target audience hangs out. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and use a combination of organic posts and paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Section 7. Driving traffic, SEO, and short-form content. Creating great content is important, but it's equally crucial to drive traffic to your content. Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a vital role in attracting organic traffic from search engines like Google. Research relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. Optimize your website content and blog posts for these keywords. Build backlinks to your website from other reputable sites. Short-form video content has exploded in popularity. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts offer a powerful way to engage a wider audience. Create short, attention-grabbing videos that provide value, entertain, or showcase your personality. Section 8. Tools of the trade resources for affiliates. Several tools can help you optimize your affiliate marketing efforts and boost your productivity. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model that can assist with content creation, keyword research, and even generating affiliate marketing ideas. Hostinger is a reliable web hosting provider that offers affordable plans and easy-to-use tools to build your website. Omnisend is an email marketing platform that helps you build your email list, create engaging email campaigns, and automate your email marketing efforts. SEMrush is a comprehensive SEO tool that provides in-depth keyword research, competitor analysis, site auditing, and backlink tracking features. These tools can save you time, enhance your marketing efforts, and ultimately help you achieve better results. Section 9. The Way Forward. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing offers a viable path to online income. By understanding the fundamentals, choosing the right niche, creating valuable content, and leveraging the right tools, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. It takes effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends, experiment with different strategies, and never stop learning. The potential for growth and income is there. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint.